Okay, so that was 11 minutes, just a bit over. Stay. Sit. Sit. Bella. Okay, so that was a little bit over 11 minutes. Heart rate was averaging about 105, I think, what this thing says. We'll see here in a few minutes. I'll be able to track it on my phone. It'll tell me for sure what my average was and high was and all of that. So a couple of things that I'm doing. Of course, the hammer. I try to watch some of the videos, YouTube videos, on using this tire for an exercise tool. So a few other things I'm learning, that inside step going around the inside step. I do notice that I was able to do a few more of the jumps. I'm surprised I can jump up on it at all, to be honest with you. Remembering that a year and a half ago, I couldn't even do a lunge. I couldn't bend that knee. It hurt so badly. Let's see, it's the right knee. I wouldn't have been able to do this. I have too much at all. A year and a half ago, I couldn't do this at all. Good on the left leg. Right knee still has the injury. It's something that's tracking inside that kneecap. Didn't quite right, but my legs are strong enough to overcome it for the most part. So just the idea that I could jump up on that is crazy. Less than a year ago, in fact, I don't know what we'll see about the wintertime, I haven't been able to run for a very long time for a couple reasons. I have that bad knee. Right knee is bad. Left ankle, I sprained it when I was 22 years old. But I also got stepped on by a bull when I was 21, right on my back. I landed on my head, got bucked off, landed on my head, knocked me out. When I woke up, the bull was jumping up and down on my back, and I have one rib that has never been right, and I can feel it when I run. It jabs me, pokes me. In fact, even riding horses now hurts because that same thing. I can feel that thing poking and jabbing. But for some reason, jumping on this, the tire, other than the fact that it is a whole lot of work, I'm able to do it. So anyway, that exercise is done for today, and it was a lot of fun.